What's the meaning of collapsible? Collapsible. Collapsible.
Collapsible. Collapsible. Collapsible means capable of being folded or compressed into a smaller size for easy storage or transportation. This term is commonly used to describe items like furniture, tents, and storage containers that can be collapsed when not in use. A collapsible item typically has a mechanism or design that allows it to be easily folded or compressed, often reducing its size by half or more. This feature makes collapsible items ideal for situations where space is limited or where portability is important.